Time check. It's 10:34 p.m. and sabi sa balita sa Facebook, husband appreciation daw today. So, may gagawin ako sa husband ko. Char. So, check this out. Okay, since husband appreciation day today daw, I have a question for my husband. First question, Dada. Ano yung biggest worry mo? Bisaya mo. Repeat. Ano yung biggest worry ngayon? First question. Biggest worry.
Dapat choices yan.
No, there's no choices.
ABCD.
Sige na. Ano? Opinion. There's no wrong opinion naman.
Hindi magkasakit.
Biggest worry niya, magkasakit. Next question. Kapag may problema ka, ano yung gusto mong approach? Makinig lang or magbigay ng advice?
Mainig.
Makinig lang daw. And third question, ano yung goals mo for us this year?
To be rich.
Oh my God, parang hirap mangyari yun. Hindi naman tayo nagiging rich. So, yun na po yung yung answer niya sa tatlo kong questions for Husband Appreciation Day. Bye. Bye na, Dada.
Bye-bye.
Oh my God.
Happy Husband Appreciation Day. Thank you for everything you do for our family. I love you.